Affiliate marketing for beginners. $0 to $2,000 a month. Most people waste $2,000 a month on subscriptions they don't use. But what if I told you that exact amount could be flowing into your bank account every single month? Completely passive. While you sleep? That's not a dream. That's affiliate marketing. And I'm about to show you the exact system that got me from $0 to $2,000 a month in just 4 months. Here's what most people get wrong about affiliate marketing. They think it's some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. It's literally you recommending products you already use and getting paid a commission when someone buys through your link. That's it. Amazon pays you. Fidelity pays you. Adobe pays you. Because you brought them a customer. I'm going to break this down into 3 parts. How to pick your niche. How to actually promote products. And the exact numbers that got me to $2,000 a month. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They pick a niche that's too broad. Personal finance won't work. Best credit cards won't work. You need to go narrow. My first successful niche? Roth IRA strategies for people in their 20s and 30s. That's specific. That's hungry. Those people are actively searching for answers. Here's your framework. Pick something you either use or care about. This matters because you'll need to genuinely recommend products. People smell fake from a mile away. Good niches right now. Fidelity versus Vanguard for beginners. Best budgeting apps under $15. How to optimize your 401k match. Robinhood versus traditional brokers for side hustlers. The real cost of Roth IRA mistakes. Notice something? These aren't vague. They're specific problems people are actively searching for. That's your gold mine. Most beginners think they need a massive audience. Wrong. You don't need 100,000 YouTube subscribers or 50,000 TikTok followers. You need traffic. Real traffic from people actively looking for solutions. There are 3 channels that got me my first $2,000 monthly. First, Google search and blogging. I wrote one article called Why I Chose Fidelity Over Charles Schwab, and it ranks for a search term that gets 900 searches a month. That single article brings in 200 to 400 visitors monthly. With a 2% conversion rate and a $50 affiliate commission per sign up. That's $200 to $400 passive income from one piece of content. Second, YouTube Shorts and TikTok. I post short clips about common investing mistakes. Stop making this Roth IRA mistake type videos. These drive viewers to my full YouTube videos or blog where my affiliate links live. It cost me $0 to make and the algorithm rewards it if people engage. Third, Reddit and community forums. This sounds old school but it works. I answer genuine questions in subreddits like r personal finance and r investing with real advice. At the end, I mention my blog where I have deeper content. Reddit users are serious and engaged. The key insight here: don't sell. Educate first, recommend second. If your article or video is genuinely helpful, recommending a product feels natural. Let me break down my actual earnings from month 4. I had roughly 2,500 monthly blog visitors across all my content. Of those, about 150 clicked my affiliate links. Of those 150, about 5 people actually signed up for a Fidelity account through my link. At $50 per conversion, that's $250. Meanwhile, my YouTube videos averaged 8,000 monthly views. YouTube drives people to my blog. So that generated another 1,200 blog visits. Maybe 30 of those converted to my links. 5 actually signed up. Another $250. My TikTok and Shorts? Smaller direct conversion. But they funnel people to my YouTube, which funnels to my blog. That ecosystem generated about another $300 in commissions that month. But here's the thing nobody tells you. The back half came from my email list. I grew an email list of 800 subscribers. When I emailed them about a new resource or recommendation, my conversion rate jumped to 5% because I'd built trust. That email list generated my biggest commission checks once I had it built. This is the unglamorous truth. Months 1 and 2, I made almost nothing. Month 3, maybe $300 total. Month 4 is when systems started compounding. Month 5 I hit $2,000. Month 6 I passed it. You're not going to quit your job next week, but you could have real, legitimate passive income flowing in within 4 to 6 months if you pick a niche, create useful content, and build an audience that trusts you. If you want my complete template for picking affiliate niches and setting up your funnel, you know what to do. Subscribe. The algorithm rewards subscribers, and I'm dropping a full free training next week. You've got this.